aya na matunda devolution kero tugutwara municipality chibesa chi comment wocha naende opportunities chatoka aigali sabu einere maana twara sereti devolution balia bonsi Korwe County who actualized this municipality. I thank you very much. Iga bono tonyora mangana makaya ande tutabwate Mheshimiwa Simba Arati omonto okosa iro leader majority kerate bangana umubazi injo mojumbo Simba Arati talibo bisi bono ngakiteli ekera aruse tiabe gete slippers yale nkali gatenje ngomoikera ekera abe slippers. There is nothing wrong with that. Tatigalende atokolere akolere na abantu lakini abagotomenta bike ebyanka biria manyete baminto gake yani ekerago eta ekego chankirige komo akolere sema mwabo agochigo etogochwa akora arusi kwanza amanya ko rusi ekende eyaro talibo bisiba minto gake nege tukia wazi onde bwenzi na bago kora igo gose banonaki naende Simba tigangote Alvo kwani Alva did not put it rightly miaka ikomiongwa agamba njetanga gerezimi onyendimo nanji no mojume na alenge nani mwaga tale kubwata nantali level itona alpha egaroto wa gerisi kwele tali always emejana to bwate gato wakera ngo kwani twalenge tale kubwata so lende lakini ochire. That is a difference. In itself, is a difference. It means, na botoko gamba, muna wana wante etinchiche, toje korole sheri ngiyiga, aina maskani ya manene, amaskani haya. Na harako gara na incha asende, kombwate chance yoko kubwate sibune governor kurualia parliament, na incha yoko kubwate siya maskani. So abantu ba minto, tubwate rane, tokora maya, na tokora magendero se ito iga, torosie body engia nande tolige integrity abantu tokobeka ekarochi beza chiachire bachirenda buya tinda akora onde bwensi okona koraga Simba Arati ebyara amanyanga nena abwata abamu abakoru bazi na koru bomachoge bose baronaki so atige kona kokorute byara na etibuo bwakiara abami numbaroro ntoyo. So, to bezokora gokumioli okona gokwana iga aria katene iga is looking for populism. I don't think there's a point he has. I manya no bwatina ya wami no if push comes to shove we shall be there for you and we are there for you. Buyamona so kontegara.
Biyamona sana. Again to yo kanta gete abachumba batubwatirane. The review bono ya chakire koba ya IBC. Tutagete bo basi constituency eba kabiri. Pomachoge inche bako sekaranga mbwate chigodi sato na inche ntwara chigodi sana chinyomba mbwata Simba. I want to appreciate no ete minister Machoge basi na no ete I think a political advice umurole chap osot senger kono ba ojitendere tinda yubuyanga onde nakotaki naro boli ojitendera alafu ojitendere fani bwato mochi nande gatoro mumba akibaye gasi barongo njugoje
abantu banyasaye tumsifu Yesu Kristo. God is good. Happy New Year, Your Excellency Governor Paul Simba Arati, Your able Deputy Dr. Monda, and his lovely spouse. Abachumbe Baminto, led by a host, Okorokunga Alpha Meruka, Aba MCA Morega Mwensi, Ntaketeko Teba, all protocols observed, Ntaketeko Teba, Derotari Tukoligia, Derondi Tukoligia. Mwa akirete Simbe kura, bose mwa akirete kura. Balenga mubwato mogoko, ase ng'encho Simba arentire municipal iga Ogembo ong'oro kia soko boko please nabo kurambura nonye nigo kiagera twikaransire gekabo se bono abantu baminto nje nkoro kuobadia barongo omujumbe obo machoge borabu ateranete na bomanyi ndagete goteba asante sana governor aso koro kyo koboko kwao nende buna gwatoete chira ngankore ntore municipal ga ndagete gosaba machoge babora bubaroro imokiango koboko igoro no bamaega ye tent imokyo koboko igoro eng'encho ne esababu nero yagera nabori imokyo koboko igoro onye gokurubu machoge borabu akeroro che bachire igaga engabi yabe kirunsa ntosoke boza ntoruga boza ga kinebe boronge ngaitogo chigoso atogo ikaka ase igo chiga asinchirega governor njenkorako monyerande tinganji tigocha in the public mono kiagaranda abaise gusali korako monyerande ngana nyolira aba youth abange baba machoge yeito yaburabu batagetemeremo na inche kamo egurero aba machoge ba church nende congratulations tobagokerete sana twachire ko witness a gift ya chira na inche ntagete gosaba ngati nkoegwa china fasi ga elinda aba youth baba machoge baro nabo bakolega asiga ase municipal mbobenda akole ekende governor magenje nonye manyete twakorire na siaso magena nonye manyete rio kindo nero nyamache nero na nyamarambe na ga mogonga tokori style geteiga nae upgrade ya saya abe inse yoboteneneri na harotorore bose ntogenderere twensi yamo mbobe na tebire eiteri boronge haya ekio moeli bono ntagete gukwana governor konye tokorigia chikura riritogo tokwebereria abana inchi batoekura ngotorangeri kwarenge kwagatorangeri gari Nairobi toikaranza nonye tobegete chirangi cha orange ne chinde ngotorangeri kwarenge ka kibono kagwasoire na inda soburai na sororire nonye kere bunere torangeri na inde toikaranze torenga ngaki toranyare kobwata na maboko twensi abagusi tuire gusiya itobosio tari bagaki elio mwali bono pi aye ntaragenda gago naraga kero muntu agwe togerio yobo tari governor aye nomo basi inche nomo machoge inche no muigwa baba basi na aye bunoro muigwa baba machoge tari bo omonto getako byokera asaba ngina rome rende gaki koro muigwa baba machoge na intulende ligereria iga ukore bintu iga I no understand timbi amono sana bone kyo moeli opi ndagete gotebia abantu baito bantu ba minto Ogembo municipal ya chira ne babunera abe onye moko nyara kwe karakariga ebintu ebikabigo chaka gokina etoke ngani no abatangani morororo municipal ne tokonye njenda gete goteba ngani mbwataka kingagete muinoga na inde buna mwateba ninche ndiginjerende na inde byombe kurugorali tochake kona korosiga bwange municipal heye ne ito twensi mbiya mono happy new year na batakero mwaka bwebisyo na magendero nyasaba seseni
mbiya mono sana tatigota teba amafuta gocha kobeka usino hoteli oseboro gaki abeke amafuta gosebano usino hoteli minister yantebiri nga mache mbali pe pambu Ogembo nga macha achire tangi yali nga motore gaki bakontebiri nga dirizana tatangire moina na gokire sana tori miya egana understand it ne taelia njoge to steogeti ngwokere tali waki igo egenta rectify ebintu byonsipi mbabikorete nande mbiri ni process kiagarire narorere nganche ne county government ya Busonga and the government ya Simba tubwatira nemerimo tokore emirimo buya nsa koreki atoseseni another good thing Simba korete lero ntubwati ODM ntubwati UDA we working under one government led by Dr. William Samoei Ruto. Tutebere Ruto ntonyora macho Ogemba. No ene county ito ko ntonyora gaki. Igatika tubate serikali the national government tokora magendero. Nimbwatu musani omu machoga yani umunyari bali chachi. Sahil Chanda nchugocha. Oyo no mumura okoimukirie privilege Ruto ali state house. Na ano muntu bwe chigoli. Tago tokwania mangana gaki.
Asante sana Mheshimiwa ndugu yangu Mheshimiwa Alpha Miruka, asante sana Aseri Baga. Your Excellency, the Governor of KISII County, Your Excellency, the Deputy Governor, all protocols observed. Kwa majina ninaitwa Mheshimiwa Zahir Chanda. Mimi ni mjumbe wa Nyaribari Chache. So mnajua hapa Nyaribari Chache? Mapema mbia. Nimefurahi sana kwa kufika hapa. Nilikuwa safari ng'ambo, nikaingia jana usiku na nikaongea na gavana, na ilibidi kwa heshima zake niweze kutoka Nairobi saa 10 asubuhi ili niweze kufika hapa, na nimefika kwa sababu ya heshima. Ya pili, Your Excellency the Governor, this is a noble thing that has happened. Na mimi kama mjumbe ninataka kusema hivi. The transfer, tunaomba ofisi yako wafanye mambo they push mambo ya transfer of functions ili municipality qualify iwe gazetted so that this municipality iweze kupata pesa zaidi kutoka World Bank. Ama namna gani? Si pesa iletwe hapa. Because ninajua the last government ambayo ilikuwa hapa ya ule mjamaa anaitwa Ongwae ni kama hawakukuwa wamegazeti. But niko na imani serikali yako Excellency itasukuma hiyo maneno. Ya mwisho, kwa sababu ya saa, najua watu wanaongoja kumsikia gavana wetu. Mimi nataka kusema hivi. Mimi nilichaguliwa na chama cha UDA. Sisi wabunge wa UDA tuliitwa na gavana. Tukakaa chini na tukaongea. Na tukakubaliana tumuunge gavana mkono. Sijui ni nini ilifanyika baadaye, mambo ikasambaratika. Kuna wale ambao sijui ni kama ni madeni walikopa, sasa wanataka mheshimiwa gavana awasaidie kulipa. Na mimi nataka kuwaambia wale viongozi wenzangu ambao tuko na wao kwa bunge. Wananipigia kelele kwa nini mimi ninakaa na gavana. Waswahili wanasema fuata nyuki. Unataka mimi unajua ukifuata inzi itakupeleka wapi? Sasa mnataka sisi watu wa Nyaribari tuende wapi? Sisi tutafuata mali nyuki iko, si ndio? Si huyu mjamaa ndio mdosi? Si ndio wako na hiyo asali? Mimi sitoki hapa, mimi nakaa hapa. Kwa hivyo gavana, mimi utaniona tu niko nyuma yako. Ukijaribu kunipeleka kona, mimi niko na wewe. Kwa hivyo mimi ni mzigo yako na wewe ni mzigo yangu. Hatuachani. Ya mwisho, wale viongozi ambao tuko na wao katika bunge wanamkosea heshima gavana. And I want to ask you, and we have even spoken, ni lazima tukubaliane, sisi ni jamii moja. Ni sisi wote ni wa KISII. Tukubaliane, tumshike ujamaa mkono. Shida yao ni succession politics ya 2027. Nyinyi mlimpatia ujamaa kura zote. Si ni ukweli? Akawa gavana. Mimi nilichaguliwa na UDA. Mheshimiwa Alpha UDA. Mheshimiwa Obiri is it Wiper? Wengine namna hii. Lakini tulikaa chini tukasema ni lazima tukae pamoja as a community ili tuweze kusukuma serikali ya taifa huko juu, tuletewe chakula. Hata ikikuja Gucha, ikienda Nyaribari, ikienda mali yoyote, si bora imefika KISII. Sasa hao wanakasirika kwa nini gavana ameenda kuona rais. Rais William Ruto alimpigia gavana simu, akamuita, akamwambia njoo tufanye kazi. Sasa mlikuwa mnakataa gavana aende kufanya kazi huko? Kwa hivyo mimi nataka kuambia mandugu zangu, kama mumeamua, mumesema kwamba hamtaki kuingia katika hii mrengo, sisi hatuna shida na nyinyi, lakini watu wetu wataumia. Tunakubaliana? Mko tayari tumuunge gavana mkono? Basi, kwa hayo mengi na machache, asanteni sana. Nyasaye awaseseni.
Tagambe tu biya kaki. Omanyiro kwa neke kusi. Take begeti na mangana bara kaki. Nyasaye tigamoseni. Now we are the peak. Sababu yomrango tuere. Ono nataka kwa speaker. Atoretere deputy governor. Atoi governor. Hado isi Nyasaye tigamoseni. Na abaga na iriu mwako muya. Uo useni kwa Nyasaye.
Mbiya mono abantu baminto tigamba confirmiri gente kemo tatie municipality yeito gabana nabe gete chibesororo through supplementary na ndaba isimiwa mbachieteti so chibesa nchirororo tugochakera municipality gochakera muna twachaka omwaka oyo ekiagera gabana nabe kachibesa na aba MCA mbachiaiteti. At this time, let me take this special opportunity to invite the Deputy Governor to make his speech. Then alangirie Governor, Deputy Speaker, the Deputy Governor.
Your Excellency, the Governor of KISII, Honorable Paul Simbarati, the Speaker of the County Assembly and the MCAs present here, members of the National Assembly present with us, all leaders, Ogembo people, hamjambo. Bwana asifiwe. Happy New Year. Aya. Your Excellency, nataka kusema mambo machache kwa sababu ya wakati. Niseme ya kwamba tulipokuwa Tindiri tarehe 12 mwezi wa Disemba, ulituahidi na watu wa Gucha ya kwamba tutakuwa hapa siku ya kwanza ya mwaka, siku ya kazi, ili utupatie municipality ya Ogembo. Amekuja ama hajakuja? Your Excellency, ningependa nirudie mambo wengine walikuwa wanatumia wakati wa campaigns, ya kwamba wewe umekuwa mtu wa kusema na kufanya nini na kutenda. Na maombi yangu kwako ni kwamba uendelee hivyo hivyo ukiwa na tuongoza katika kaunti hii, ili yale unatacha, unatamuko, unaambia watu wa kaunti hii yawe yanatimika. Sitaki kwenda haraka, ninasahau mtu hapa. Na jane customer yane. Inju. Customer inju wangu. Nilikuwa namsahau. Si awasalamie? Igakuru kwa ekebere. Ni numwa majorete.
Abaminto abantu bagucha mbiyamole naende nimante guchagere chi constituency nye talibo bono manyete mugakoyo iga nonyo kondangeria nabamwete miaka 12 akobo munyagitari oino bwetugo gaiga gucha tante beti none litukeri monga abantu bagucha mba magoserete gakigo muri abaya mbiyamo nasengeje mwamondenderete no mwana kabeire miaka 10 isaini okogenda iburu bono rende gachierete ga mwamo weta akabegi osenko guko mwana amenyire abeire oyo ino bono moche momondorere kando nandi nabo ngwakero yo mintoga banang'ambi yamono ase eng'encho abeire okoibora guchaga iga bune municipality manyete omosacha omokungwa anyoma omokungu tanyora omwana omosacha natogigwe bono omosacha oyo simba kanyorire omwana ogucha nandi gakimubwate birengereri binde momorengereri rioka mbiya mana sogontegerera Elieta ngoro kuchoisika muma onare ngo omwana ogichaba korwari botondo nyari bari chache bono ndo omwana omongino omweshimwa Robert Yonsarete oni customer abwate
aya mwamoigure lakini amoretera kwana iya kwana moigwetine customer abonta getego tebanga Your Excellency e county ya KISII okina goikatokine in having a wucha bune municipality eko era KISII kwa we municipality KISII town teri enough e county enene sana igere nyamira gwetani ibere karakira aya nalitora igwane Your Excellency koetera se budget ye ikwa begetararo nabo tosembere twensinga e county amini ward ye neche egendere gokina uchakirero iga buna twacha twatebi kuno mo minister bwa amache achakire go flow because e municipality ko bororonya amache tayo it is the services chigo cha sabantu na chiko gerebe municipality amache aria ekero Your Excellency nare gokore mirima my 12 years of working in Ucha na ndu wetanga genda siasa amache nara chagete na kagerete nara gotumeka aria edaraja twari kwambugera ukinya bisiongororo twajikori matumbo teri eriere para ruru innocent amacharia onyararoro my prayer ne erianga Your Excellency through your government amacharia be expanded aikera abantu in the municipality but ya maitaria municipality okatakeire tatakeiri jinga cheito yes these lower parts chiabo basi omachoge amacha ikera abantu ekwera serikali yao Your Excellency nero kwatebetia abantu emirimo togochigokora egento tatagetigo tigamagene dorachera Your Excellency stage ye yagache twekeronde gucha enarweta 205 ngagenda Nakuru ngachikorisaini gosoa siasa mwaka 2007 stage ye na yagache tu a challenge yerane edaracheria tebwa a footbridge ekwamboka gucha ndire mburego tuyaichora korora etagete asekiwa bridge egere abantu onye baikire stage ya now we need order municipality gocha without order there must be order stage ya kore meremo aria igorwe elinde abantu bambokira side safe away from the main road drive road ase chigari chikomigera chioka abantu bataete so it is important this bridge be done before the assumption of this stage utumeka ase chigari egento kyo moerio mayete okegusige gotaba ng'omwana marera okorireki wakirwe karo mwana akurira omwana marira tarakwa omonto marira rende. Now what I want to say is this. Enyagitari, Your Excellency, ekorokwa Ogembo. Enyagitari yeye goetania municipality yeye kwa rulerero. My prayer will be through all your networks, if we can improve the status of this hospital here. Nyagitari yeye chenchie eagachu ne agachu chifloi sana gochigoro, Your Excellency. Onyo obore momboyo gochaigoro. Egera abantu baitori bago monta kobeke gari amaguta kurwanga mobeke oxygen paka ike bosongo. By the time that exchange yakaba mondo kwerere gatia. My prayer, Your Excellency, yebo na kenyenya sengeje distance ebe moyo. We must resuscitate these two facilities. Tinda kana nyamache omweshimiwa obiri abase konte binga turate banyamache na nyamache, Your Excellency, oye inyore igate banga ina mangananga kali lazima nya konya kwanaga jena ko inyori mune deputy yao ngobiri nate banga mangananga lirio begete chisandals kwa na mangananga litu achire. But one thing, as I sit ndangeli governor, aiga municipality ebwate bomachoge egetandere ora na menya emiaka 12 ni manyete gitogo ntebereri bono ochake ochiro goronyo rembo basi municipality ase chinyomba na chiecho ibere chiro chinyomba na teba chiria ase municipality ego chigoeta the 5 kilometer radius nero ndigereti ni manyete chinyomba ni sato tobwate bogirango nero bagirango mongira bobe ni manyete na so metenduru so tindi moko aiga my prayer to the leadership, Your Excellency, through you. Na onyankisi municipality ige kunetebo nchari yakuna bogetutu ekuna nyaribali. And so mbasa babarai egere municipality ya chirere roga bana letire kine. You sit together regardless of yechi nyomba inugenda you are 5 kilometer radius more the leadership kurwororo. It's not about machoge basi. It's about the growth of the municipality. Do you want ine? Abarai muhamba iyo. Ntongusengoli abande gochia na abande gochia. We shall be fighting and not growing. And therefore the blessing that will come through this municipality, let it be a reality, because this has been the cry of these people of Gucha for a long time. Your Excellency, tiganto mea bachumba ba minto mora to the National Assembly and the Parliament altogether, that you do not debate. You have more debate at home than debate in the Assembly. I'm seeing some leaders elected from the KISII region having more debate at home than debate where they were elected to one debate. You will not qualify to be a very good leader by debating Gov.Simba day in, day out, in your dream, in your... No. We are saying kindly, we have talked, you know, in Yaribari we are in the leadership, with my MP who followed after me. We are saying we are in the leadership in this sense. Tutafuata Gov.Simba kutoka KISII. Tukifika national, tutafuata the president, His Excellency William Samoei Ruto. He is the president of this country. Yani abantu bande batagete Simba ira naberega iga twaruga twaika busongo twaru busongo twachi Ogembo. Abuna ebinto bire. Tobwatane n'abachumbe baito. Togene n'aba MCA baito. Elinde a president erore leadership ya raria ya Gusii. Misakuruta kitege mokuruta asokoboka kurumwao wake bikombe tege nsimbo pimete. Bono nje na danga intutore in the leadership no na my MP Zairi Chanda in this sense ntukoru nyali bali na otora your excellency na abantu kuruboge tutu abange ibale naye muntu amokuruta kitege korwaria gakirende umanyete ke gusingo tabakerende kere chiro ngo twarere ninu mwateba with those many remarks duty of inviting you to address us at this point. Your Excellency.
Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba. Simba ne taye kumureka. Aye Simba ne mamba. Simba ne taye kumureka. Yeah. Aye. Ocha kere woba. Ogembo hoye. Ogembo hoye. Tigango tukuana ni gandro sino antole pamoja. Bia mole. Noemba. Bia mono. My deputy, Honorable Monda, members of Parliament, the Speaker, KISII County Assembly, members of the County Assembly, the business community, distinguished guests. You'll allow me to do two things. Monga nchere nima ete muda ete moiweke Gusii mnanga kingo kuana mo wancha boigo lakini mo wanche senge ncho mida nera iga nega netikoigwa na Kenya egento to koratari kyomo Gusii gyoka nsome ge songo mayo kuana ke Gusii mo wancha boigo aya bali nugali omondo okoro kusome karuga awu isaransanse maito byanimba maito mwensi saransanse na barabyabo no ani ninde sefuga etimu yega gosimwe saransense mosko maiga etimu ya machoka yons please altrarone aba mwangu anje bali bamaiga batorole ego ikaga iga bandi na mote na iga no abantu amaya rats mabandole ayobegete ko birats moi saransense ego ekera abantu amaya gamba taete bandole no nae bwege tuleri pasta isaransense ngoko ande 500 ojigo sibeli yanga na kero mondo na baranyo na yo kugora na echumbi igo bono iga aigante gete etimwe saransanse wale maya babaligire nande mote nena mwako ye saranse uye mwaka saranse biamon nganchere Mheshimiwa Miruka no enere Nairobi mbono botuko bairana ntaite ko bakira biamon my brothers osogoja abaheshimiwa ba county assembly nabantaba ya. You know, you have outgrown the petty politics Gusii, and I'm happy to have a team yaba esmiwa ba county assembly nganchere nkuwa naya. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm pleased to grace this occasion today to preside over the award of the municipality charter to Ogembo town. Ogembo is an historic town whose importance can be traced to the colonial times as Ritongo, one of the designated areas for colonial courts, where conflicts and cases among people from KISII land and South Nyanza were resolved. The granting of municipality charter, therefore, goes a long way in recognizing the true status of Ogembo town as a commercial hub in the region and national map. Ladies and gentlemen, Ogembo, indeed, which earned town council status during the defunct local government in 1998, is the second largest urban area in KISII County after KISII Municipality. It is important to note that in the current dispensation, under the Urban Areas and the Cities Act, KISII Municipality gained the status in 2019, and it's only natural that Ogembo town follows suit today. The granting of the municipality charter to Ogembo town is a result of lawful and administrative process, which included citizens' involvement and careful preparation, support from partners such as Kura and the World Bank, and my brother Zaire Chanda did indicate. Soon, we are putting in place the municipal board for Ogembo through a municipal manager. For now, through a competitive process to include the chairman, the board members, and municipal managers. For now, there will be interim office at a newly refurbished county officers block to kick off operations. Monga nchire nataka otebanga agwe esbono. Bono iga. Ngo advertise tole. Omonto oranyale koba a manager. Process ye tali simba ukorwa. Process ye no monto oranyale koleta investors. Monto oranya tali bunyomba. Aiga tali manga nango no moch. O no munya sameta. Ose monto ki. Omonto to koliyogo soa. Lazima abo monto bwete capacity. Muga kanaro bekire municipal chairman ya Busongo. Omo indi oyo okoro muga koli. She was Samji. Of what a network. Wono ntoko nyara kwa monto ndibwensi kurweke nyoroga iga esenge encho nero kunywa maruo tangaini. Nga nero kugoreke nyenga. No, omonto toko beka okoba in church municipality lazima abo monto oranyale gokoragento kiek koleta development. Oyina buto okoraigo esibono entaye goteba lero nkobekande interim manager konyora all in charge. Where's Mr. Odunga? Mr. Odunga oyo talimu basi talimu machoge. Odunga come here. Odunga will be in the office as an interim municipal what? Manager. No mogerare, no montoino, momo manyete, therefore Odunga wewe utashikilia mara moja na sisi we are advertising for recruitment of the manager. Ikifika pamoja kama ata apply sawa. Kama ata apply mtu yule ambaye, lakini kama akona uwezo wa kuleta mali hapa. Lakini kama hana uwezo lazima tutafute mtu ambaye akona uwezo. Kwa hivyo ndugu Odunga, unaitwa Odunga? Richard, make sure kwamba umeshikilia. Chogoyo mobasio, no. Eye tali simbo korwa tali paime. Ne process ngo advertise story on the bwensi organit. Na yo kolento kick wa apply. Iko. Monga nchirengendere. Already my office are fixing street lights for Ogembo town and water pipe connections to Ogembo from Mosora water plant are being done. The back streets of Ogembo town have been earmarked for opening up for tarmacking and the cover of paving to give the town a befitting status. Na mwaziri wa maji molega nyat kweva. Na mutebeti intrai ko Ogembo. A match ras makorek aikire. And I'm confirming na yugra mache gali stage na romate now nyakweva. A match monton de bwensi okore biashara. Chi hoteli ndotagete macha ko buja se chicho chigete mo maega no macha ko buja korulero ndibwensi obwate biashara lazima afixia match na narule motienyo yo mogima amache bosa Ogembo twanze kobeka chimita eketali ya chavo sa ngombe chacha ko koraki korusiaralia weli municipality lakini lazima mheshimiwa Alpha Nateva lazima mheshimiwa I think ener ekenege entorazima turusikibe samubuko twagacho Ogembo yaitu ebintu binde ngo batebine nganchere esengenjo byanku na match etaye linkorosi were koruigore natebe ti abantu ba Kenya Power no bale teraoka nguo kibale nabatete nga barasima ba make sure estima ya abeire kitaye chi abeire baachire aya ko make sure ko make bale sure ngankobere nganchere ngendere gosoma mayo kuaneke gusi tokole. Our county assembly has been handy in providing the municipality charter, the past regime and the current. I want to thank you. I thank the county assembly, especially the committee for lands, fiscal and planning for this support. Mheshimiwa Ibrahim Onguvo, Mbiamono, my brother, thank you for the good job. The boundaries of the municipality of Ogembo, as determined, will be reviewed. And I'm happy that we are talking of 5 kilometers what? Radius. Let me stress here that all procedural criteria in the Urban Areas and Cities Act have been followed. And the boundaries set out for the municipality constitutes the requisite population to qualify Ogembo as a municipality. The municipality status for Ogembo is laudable, advanced, that will improve the ability to benefit from the intercities or twin cities development and the capacity building partnership, both locally and internationally. Under the new status, avenues of management have been bolstered to effectively respond to expectations of residents. Ladies and gentlemen, the key benefits of the municipality status of Ogembo will be donor funding for development projects, improved service delivery to residents, emergency and disaster preparedness, attraction of investment, improved business opportunities, development of urban infrastructure such as roads, pedestrian walks, footbridge, cycle lanes, stormwater drain, social halls, markets, and water works. All this benefit will culminate in improved local economy and availability of employment opportunities for our people. I urge the residents to support these new developments because it will bear more benefits than harm in the long run. At this juncture, to reiterate that of my overall urban development strategy for KISII County, let me take this opportunity to advise or observe the plans also which are underway to consider upgrading other towns, the likes of Suneka, Nyamarambe, Nyamache, Kenyenya, Keumbu. These are more others. And I want to ask my team, the team which is here, which, you know, you guys who prepared for Ogembo, that in 2 years, I want again to see if I've given another 3 municipalities to our people. We will be there. Because the more municipalities we have, the more money people have in their pockets. Amangana mote baba ntuwaita basae batabuati gento kiek gas through creating those municipalities will get more job opportunities. Equally, we are working towards elevating Nyamarambe, Masimba, Marani, Mosocho, Nyamache, Mugunga to town status, alongside other lakes Kenyenya, Keumbu, Nyakoe, Tabaka, Etago, Nyacheki, and Magena. As we enter the new year, as we have entered into the year 2023, I wish to report to the residents of the county who gave us the mandate that within our prevailable 100 days in office, while laying a solid foundation for development, we have also been able to achieve some quick wins for our people. For instance, the CIDP, which was done through public participation, the first of its kind. Mwatuarte mekutano jibarasa, mwatotevinga king binto kimoganiti. Again, take a tanga ni tua kolete getanya okolekana, and I'm happy that last moment and chat to inki atagete. Tali into abaraito denga banto na ganyobo kimo. Now denga rugobo kimengenje kani nuchi boss cheto talibo. Ya ekeroto goga ekeroto ko gichikura okonya to go saba chikura na mabira. Lakini ekeroto asoire obisi tu abagento kiek. Ebi benoka. Talibo yo. Ntutaite ko enda story eyo. Etutaite ekeroto asabire kura na ande tobe chi servant cheino. Igo. We are undertaking staff audit. Ntogende teko kubara. Mwate senge njuge wonkuna. Ntogende teko kubara aba kollegas. Inche mno mugavana ras mama nyembantu kingbwate obis. Ga kenko basaba bantu aminto. Umotienyo yongo kora tole egento tokoroka staff audit reporting konyora tole. Onye gokwabusa ayabusa. Lakini to kubanga tobwa certificate nayo gotobalira kibese kinjibe moya. Nga ayo kolete gose mnabono nchega kintabe to monto sindani ekiara tino munyagitari onyoro omuntu kuroro sana ime ga kobeto monte sindani to konyoro mobitire liuga liomuki igo audit egendrete ntogende kubara abantu baitu inche natebe tekertu atebe abantu embeo bao kole county ninganye te report eri mbaye tani ti abantu 500 embeo bataiyo lakini bawaka nugendo kieke mushahara mo wancho audit yegende we have managed to clear all outstandings arrears on statutory deductions such as the NHIF pay pension for our staff. No ena bwembe obons na kolire gwakana kibesa kiri kyabo konya bakoraki babwente kunachwa kigende serikali karibu kire enusu billion ekiera konya atira akanwa nganchere ngendere na ukora Bareta and Production Revival in partnership with the Paredram Processing Company of Kenya, PPCK, we have issued free Paredram seeds to help in establishment of seedlings, nurseries in Paredram growing areas of Bomachoge, Borabu, Nyaribari Masaba, Nyaribari Chache, and Bobasi Borabu. Banana factory at ATC investor is on site to help run the processing banana plant. Matoka ito kando ne plant yeli na ntatu wakira mo deputy one mugaka monda mbiamono na mwete akabugo lichikiro 150 chechi ntaterecha amauga akanyaire chibeke bono enasari mutinyo gatatu ngwanza torego distribute chintaterechiri kose amauga ali mbegweli ense millions nyacheki magena gesusu esemo ya ruguru yonsi ya Nyaribari amatoke kuete buna mwate ya Kenya nye kuete lakini togenda tukonyebekera omoika torego sene koleki ne nchiboki chionsi ngo chiboki tole lakini egento kinge nchomono moisonde abanafunzi mbali balenge koru St Paul University bakoro kweko bana mwaroche president William Ruto kako recognize kerega Jamhuri Day aba mraba mbabwete chibesa milioni 120 aba mraka bali batano lakini bagatebunga egento mokora morosi sanitary pads as bakorosi sanitary pads mbosongoga nara bakoruzi emesigo emerega ya matoke karokwa butoreli toke mosigoli toligo tuguta bono koros toligi center asoko ero mugigoli kwa pima wakwa ne bosomoni bwao montegerere toiwanaine abantu baito toiwanaine naende okorekana gusiengima aba muraba liegento bachete bakambolia ebamboletie ekeyemo yobolimo ntwabaete ekeyemo etisi ntwabaete bono president William Ruto instructed them nga baso kichi sanitary pads ochese skuru chons igomba bwati ichiro president yabatebi togenda tukwana wiki yeyo nande bakabwana ndikibesa chinde 70 million esengenje innovation abana baiturasi matuwa bekenchire abana abo kwanza abarabagere babere umumeru oyomo bare batano mu gusita iyo lazima tuansega asiganga nande ngo batembininga kitoko nyekora avocado fruits processing chi avocado cheto wensromo tenyo kabere through the British High Commission batoire chi machine no chire TC investor no ere ngente go fix tatemba sabe motenyo kabere chi avocado chons tika cha hash chisangereligu chigali the high British commissioner, the British High Commissioner, sir, the British High Commissioner, njaru chigali kianda ama chaga kera gendo kere constituents musangere ya avocado abantu abakibaho cha kugura ngocha kubagoli bale chi avocado ebe yengia kobwelia Nairobi igondo bwata avocado ne ba elie nene bwato mutuno yone nyoni ekere bako gole chikiro echikorosi amabuta bakoni uchisko chimashini chiri baisire gukora korosi amangana ya malio konyora malio gatayo nyagitali osemo mayetebo nganchere nsome mayo kuana nkole rika bwango omugaka sumali na koroli avocado drugs and pharmaceutical procured and delivered to whole health facilities with the help of our MCS. For efficiency, we have piloted and floated bids for a digitized drug dispensing and tracking system. Engage with the KUKA initiative, that is Kenya-UK Health Alliance, which seeks to turn around operations in the health sector in this region, creating a medical city in KISII. We have already sought indulgence of His Excellency, the President, William Ruto, for cooperation in the development of our county. Streamlined the management of Gusii Water and Sanitation Company, WASCO, signed an MOU with the USAID